How to fix login errors in Trust Wallet. If you would like to fix the login errors in Trust Wallet, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, we want to make sure it is not the issue with our internet connection. So we will properly check our internet is working just fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa. Now we will also just look and reset the Trust Wallet application, because sometimes it could be the issue with the app. If you're an Android user, you can long press the app icon no matter whichever Android you're using and tap on the I button to come to the app info page. From here you can simply go to the storage option, clear the cache files and clear the data, which will reset the app. For iPhone users, however, you want to make sure to uninstall and reinstall the app. Now open the Trust Wallet app. The login error could also be happening due to your incorrect recovery phrase or due to your incorrect credentials. So tap on the get started button right there, and just you can see add existing wallet. So you can tap on the add existing wallet option. If you have existed or backed up your wallet to your Google Drive or Google Drive backup, then you can restore from there. If you have added it in a secret phrase and you know your secret phrase, then you can try to log in from there. You can use a Swift backup as well using Face ID or Fingerprint and other options as such. So hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.